Hi everyone, I'm Shani Darden. I'm an esthetician in Los Angeles, and today I'm going to be showing you a super simple 3-step PM routine. This is an amazing routine because not only is it simple, it's so effective. First, I'm going to cleanse my skin, and I'm going to use my cleansing serum, which is a super gentle cleanser. It has a hyaluronic acid in it, so it will plump and hydrate your skin. It also has oat bran extract in it, which will help to repair the skin's barrier. This is great for all skin types. You only need just a little bit. A little goes a long way. And what's great about this cleanser is that it's not harsh at all, so it won't strip your skin. And when you remove the cleanser, your skin will feel really hydrated as well. So I'm gonna use 2 pieces of gauze now. So this lightly exfoliates the skin. And then I'm gonna rinse and make sure that all of the cleanser is off of my skin. So my next product is my Retinol Reform, which is one of my absolute favorite products. Retinol is such an amazing multitasker. It boosts collagen in the skin, decreases fine lines and wrinkles, reduces pigmentation, and can help to clear acne. I cannot live without using a retinol. This is a 2.2% encapsulated retinol, and what that means is it slowly releases throughout your skin. So it's not as harsh as a lot of other retinol products on the market. It also has another one of my favorite ingredients in it, lactic acid. This has a 2% lactic acid, and what lactic acid does is not only gives you an immediate glow, it also exfoliates and hydrates. So I use about 2 pumps all over, and I make sure to bring it all the way down to my neck and chest. Last but not least, I'm going to use my weightless oil-free moisturizer. This is great for normal to oily skin. It's super hydrating and it won't cause congestion. It's so important to use the right moisturizer for your skin type. What's also great about this moisturizer is it has sodium hyaluronate in it, so it will plump and hydrate your skin. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you liked my simple yet very effective PM skincare routine.